So what you can also get Copilot to do is change around the structure of a particular information. For example, I have this information in Wikipedia right here on classes of computers. So let me just go around and copy these out right here and copy this just like this by pressing Ctrl C and get back over here. So now let's say I want this as bullet points. So I'm going to go around and say present this information as bullet points right here just like this and paste it out right here and press enter. So once I go around and do that, you can see that it changed out the content as bullet points right here. So for example, you can see that for microcomputers, you can see that it says desktop computers, rack computers, and so forth. So mini computers, there's bullet points and so forth right here. You can also go around and say, now give this information in a table format right here just like this. So let's just go around and do that and press enter, and now what happens is that it gives it out in table format, as you can see right here just like this. So this is how you can go around and convert the type of information from one format to another easily by using Microsoft Copilot. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share and subscribe.